Good afternoon viewers and welcome to One News. My name is Titania Ayudiah and I will accompany you for the next 30 minutes. Our story today is about the earthquake on the Java island of Cianjur, which hit the population and claimed many victims. The earthquake occurred on Tuesday, July 6, 2023 at 4:30 minutes past. Many of those killed and injured in the massive earthquake on Java's Cianjur Island were mostly children who were at school when the quake struck restored site. The original government in Cianjur stated that the death toll had increased to 252 people. And earthquake measuring 55.6 on the Richter scale struck and mountains area Monday, causing landslides, destroying and villages near city of Cianjur, West Java. Most of the victims were children because at one point they were still at school. That's the news for today. Follow the next update, One News, in an hour. I'm Titania, Ayudiah Putri. Good afternoon and see you.